Okay, welcome to episode 2 of Dezzy and the Nature Channel. Or is it Nature Channel with Dez? Whatever. Okay, so today we're on a wild man-child hunt, okay?
You need to work on your accent, though.
Thanks, Mum. Okay, so let's get started. Wah! Okay, so right there is a wild man-beast child thing, okay? Obviously, he's in the salad. And then there's a wild doge. Its name is a Shujin. Okay, let's go. We're gonna crab walk our way up to the man-child. Now, the dimples are what is the weak spot. Okay, now we're gonna just slowly get up. I don't think it can see us. Don't look in its eyes, okay? And we're up, dang it found me! It's got my finger! Charlie bit me! It burns! Okay, let's try this again, people. Okay. Now, you get in your crouch position and follow. Okay. Now jump backwards. I'm falling. Okay. Underneath the table. Okay, there it is. Okay, let's touch its face. Alright, first of all, we need to slide onto the table.
Dez, get away from my food.
There he is. Okay, let's just... It's okay, he hasn't noticed me. He thought my finger was a stick. Remember, this is the boy we're talking about. Okay, this time, protective. Dimple, I touched it. Okay, now, we need to crab walk ourselves out. The outback. Run! That was the Nature Channel with Dezzy. See you next week.